All right, this one's gonna be on cue2pops. It's a program to convert PlayStation 1 games to VCDs, and that's a method that you can do to play PlayStation 1 games on your PS2 console. So anyways, how you use this here. So this is cue2pops, and we do a -h here. Really not that hard. You input the cue file, right? So we do cue2pops, and we do this WCW Nitro here, .q, right? And it's gonna spit out a VCD file. So this is a VCD file here, right? Although this is like incomplete because you actually have to have the proper game ID, otherwise it will not load when you put it in your what is it, your PS2. So the ID is something like, you know, what is it, SLUS dot whatever, like this. Although I don't know how to grab it with the cue2pops program, so we're gonna use another program that we talked about last time, which was Popstarter, and that one will fill out the ID for us. So we're gonna automate this because I don't want to do it manually. Anyways, how do we do that here? Real simple. I have this script called PSX2VCD, and we do a -h for help here. But basically, it's gonna, if you want to use this, it's just, you know, the program, and then you input the cue file or multiple cue files or the whole cue files in the folder, and it's gonna spit out a proper ID with the title of the game, and then it'll be in this VCD format. So how do we do that here? Real simple. We're gonna do let's say for example that WCW cue file again, and it's gonna spit out a VCD file, but with the proper you know, ID and everything in front of it, right? And that will allow us to work within our PS2, right? Anyways, if you want to do this automated, you know, for all the whole folder, pretty simple. We do star.q, and it's gonna spit out a VCD here of all the games. We'll see in a minute. There we go. So it did all, like, you know, was that 4 games there, and all these are in VCD formats. And then all you gotta do is just transfer it to your USB stick or whatever. So other things you need in here, what was that? The other things you need. So you do need, if you're doing this in the USB method, I mean, there's different methods. There's a USB method, there's a Samba share method, and there's a hard drive method. This one, for simplicity, we're only doing the USB here, all right? So you need a USB drive, and you need to create a folder called Pops. I believe it has to be capitalized, right? And you need this file called popstarter.elf, right? And you also need this pops, what was that, iox.pax. This one I don't think I can distribute, but all you gotta do is search Google for it, and it should be like the first page. All right, and then your games should be you know, in this format here that we just did. And as far as loading up in your PS2 needs to be either soft modded or, you know, a mod chip or something like that. So FMCB, FMHD, or a mod chip, right? But you open that sucker, PS2, and then you open your PS2 loader, aka OPL. And I have version 16.4.1 or higher, so that's the daily build. So you do need you know, the recent version. So as of right now, that's the version they have recently, so I'm gonna assume you have that or higher, and then it will work with the Popstarter. And then your game list, and then your PSX games, and you choose it and you play it. Not that hard. As far as the links, where's the links? So these are the dependencies, the core utils, blah blah blah, that you can get from your distribution. Other ones is PopStation that we talked about last video. We're only using that to get the ID. That's it. We're not using it to convert anything. And we're using cue2pops to convert it to the VCD, aka convert it into Popstarter. What is that here? So you do need the what was that, Open PlayStation 2 Loader, aka OPL, and you can get that from that link there. and you need the Popstarter, right? .elf. So Popstarter.elf. This is the requirements, so you can get it from here. This POX, not POX, Pops IOX. You can Google that, the exact name here, and this is the MD5. Just in case you get the wrong one, this is the MD5 here, right? And that's where you put your games, right? And as far as what else do we need? That's pretty much it. Yeah, you just need the PlayStation 2 loader to be that version or higher, and you can get that from here, and that's it. So if you have like an old OPL version, make sure you upgrade it. Basically, that's all it does is that you put it on your USB and then you copy it over to your memory card, you know, with the exact same name and overwrite it and all that, and you have the newest version. That's how you upgrade it. Anyways, that's it for this program, cue2pops, and a little script I wrote just to automate the whole thing. That'll be it.